Hello all and welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna talk about the sleet of Lehlenn. When we speak about Lehlenn, we speak of the sleet. This is the heart of his being. Lehlenn is not just the rain, nor the lightning, nor the thunder. He's the wind that allows those to exist. He's the bridge in what was sealed, the tear in what was closed, the opening without which nothing can be, which nothing can descend. To speak his name is to speak of rapture and to recognize that in every sphere of life, fertility begins not with fullness. Let us begin with the sky. In the myth of Baal, the cloud swells with water, heavy and dark, pregnant. It hovers over the earth, full of promise. But until it is lit, until it's open, nothing falls. The earth remains dry. The fields remain barren, and longing festers into torment. Lehlenn is the slit in the cloud. He is the opening that turns potential into reality, the wound in the storm through which rain is poured. Without his bridge, heaven remains sealed from earth. This is why he stands at the very beginning in the house of fertility. Within Baal's empire, he is the one who makes connection possible. Now let us move to the soil, a field that is untouched and remains hard and unyielding. It may be rich in promise, but unless it is broken by the flow, it yields nothing. The farmer's blade cuts the row, a wound in the earth body, and only then can seed be received. Lehlenn is this too. He's the cut that prepares the soil, the opening that makes fertility possible. And it is also possible to call upon Lehlenn in agricultural rights, to ask for the earth to be softened, open, and more receptive. Fertility of land is always born from rupture. Next, the womb. Here's truth becomes intimate. The womb is the chamber of life, when it does not open by itself. For conception, there must be a cleft, an aperture that allows seed to enter, from birth to be made. Rupture, a tearing that allows a child to pass. In both Lehlenn rules, he is the gift of arousal, the readiness of the body to receive. He is the dilation. He's the dilation that makes union possible. He's the pain of birth, the tearing that allows new earth and new life to emerge in the womb more than anywhere. His paradox is clear: to create and as slow to wound, to bring forth as slow to bleed. And Lehlenn embodies this paradox, and he governs the holy threshold where desire, vulnerability, and new life meet. For his domain is not only physical, it extends to the soul. Every vision begins with a bridge in the ordinary, The prophet cannot see until the heavens are open. The mystic cannot offend until the veil is torn. The dreamer cannot receive unless the barrier between worlds is slit. Lehlenn is this bridge of consciousness. He is the tear in the veil of perception. He is the moment when the mundane is pierced, when something from beyond rushes in to call on him in mystical work, is to ask for the opening of the gate in the soul, for the rending of the curtain that separates seen from unseen. He is much as the spirit of revelation, as much of fertility. The slit is in the sky, yet we must remember the danger. Every slit is as a wound. Every opening exposes the hidden. The womb opens to receive, but it is as vulnerable. The soil that is plowed can be ended. The sky that spills rain can also spill flood. The mind that is open to vision can also be torn by madness. Lehlenn does not erase those dangers, he teaches them. His lesson is that our fertility is double-edged, to open, to risk, to be fertile, to be vulnerable. The slit of gate of life, but also the point of exposure. To work with Lehlenn is to keep this truth and not avoid it. This is why he is always paired with others within the house of fertility. In Baal's legions, Lehro ensures that the slit is filled, that the branch is not left empty but receives seed. Patlan stands guard so that what enters does not corrupt but nourishes. Ishmat directs the spear to its mark, but none of them can be made true unless Lehlenn makes the first slit.